Welcome back, guys. So today I really have some really great news. Actually, a company reached out for me for a sponsorship. They're on Instagram. Go check them out. They are Japanese Muscle Official. But yeah, a couple weeks ago I actually posted a picture on my Subi in Prosser, I believe. Yeah, it was Prosser. And then there was an area where there were some Christmas lights in the back, so it looked pretty sick because you would enter and pretty much it was like a tunnel, and then it was just like all Christmas lights. So it was really cool, and I posted that on Instagram. I'm not sure if you guys checked that out or not, but it's on there. Go check it out. My ad's right here. But yeah, they reached out to me on the comments. He pretty much said like if I'm interested for a sponsorship, you know, to let him know, DM him. And luckily enough, I got to see that in time, and I did message him for it. We were talking for a couple minutes, probably 15 minutes if that. We were just saying like what a sponsorship is. I don't know if all you guys know what a sponsorship is. So pretty much what a sponsorship is they help you out and you help them out. So pretty much they're gonna help me grow and I'm gonna help them grow. You know, they are an amazing car company. They really do care about their people. For sure, he asked me, you know, he loves my car, how's my car doing, you know, how the build is going. And you can tell by the pictures they post that they really do care about everyone, because they just post all the time about people, you know, loving their company or loving their cars. So yeah, that is really great. I'm glad to get a sponsorship from them, and for sure they sent me some stuff, so we're gonna go open that right now in a little bit. And then I actually have an opportunity to become an ambassador for 91 and Up. I'm not sure if you guys know them as well, but they have an Instagram, Facebook, and a YouTube, so go check them out as well. They are a really big car company that just opened up in 2017, and they are growing really fast, guys. They have about 50 or almost 50,000 followers on Instagram. And all they do is pretty much, you know, same thing. They care about their people as far as the car enthusiasts and stuff like that. They do have a company for apparel, for clothing, 5-point harnesses, vinyl stickers for your car, windshield banners. And this year, guys, they are coming out with a lot of stuff for cars. I actually just heard that they're coming out with bucket seats for the company and some other stuff, so stay tuned with them. They are growing really fast and their quality is super good. And they actually sent me some stuff too, so we're gonna go check that out in a little bit, so for sure, see you there. Alright guys, so 91 and Up actually gave me a vinyl sticker for my car. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet. I actually have a windshield banner coming as well, but that's gonna be later because it's actually still winter, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on right now because it does tend to come off in the winter and sticks on really good in the summer. But yeah, pretty much what 91 and Up stands for, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but the title is a really good title. Pretty much stands for, you know, the octane level, 91 and up. I actually pumped 92 octane in my STI. So just pretty much means, you know, no matter what you drive, if you're pumping premium, we're all, you know, pretty much linked together. So it's just pretty cool to know that. But so we're gonna open this package first just because it's smaller, and then we'll open this one next. Oh, I like this. So it is a lanyard. That was really nice, actually. I actually need a new lanyard for my key, so that's really nice. I'm definitely gonna rock this. And then one thing else that sent me is a banner for my car, and I know exactly where this is going. Definitely going on the windshield on the bottom, right here in this area. So we're gonna put that right now. Sweet. Alright, let's open the next package. Looks like clothing. And it is a sweater. That is sweet. That is really nice. Japanese Muscle. Just goes to show what I drive. It is a Japanese imported car, so. Alright, so what I got in another package was this sweet sweater, Japanese sweater. Japanese Muscle stands for what you drive. I drive a, you know, Japanese car, so that is really cool what they stand for. I actually have a lanyard what they gave me as well, and a banner. So we're gonna install the banner right now, but this is a really sweet sweater. The quality is really good on it, and I really love it. And now we're gonna install this banner, so for sure we're gonna do a little time lapse of installing it. And then for sure we'll show you the after product. Dude, this sweater is awesome. So silky. Alright, yeah guys, if you guys have one of these, it is a heat gun. If you guys have one of these, it will make the job 100 times way easier just because it helps it stick on. So for sure. Also, make sure to clean your windshield before putting this on. We already cleaned it with Windex, you know, just splash cleaner. But for sure, make sure you clean it because there could be dust and it'll get in the way of, you know, sticking on. You might have to heat it up a little bit because sometimes the letters do like come up with the actual like part where it comes up, and like just make sure you're heating it up because last time like I've done these like on my other windows but smaller ones, but sometimes it does pick up, so make sure you're heating it up sometimes, but don't get too close because then you'll start melting the actual letters up. So for sure just stay far and pull away from you, like vertically straight from you. Don't like pull up while you pull, just pull it like opposite way you're standing. Alright guys, one thing I gotta say, that install was super easy. There is some vinyl stickers that will like give you a hard time. He was hitting it up, but I feel like if he wasn't, it would have been super fine regardless. But that thing was super easy to install. So any of you guys that want to pick this up, let me know. I'll for sure send you the right way. I'll put the link in the bottom too. But for sure, just let me know. You know, DM me or shoot me in the comments or whatever, and I'll for sure, you know. And if you need any advice on how to put this on, I will help you guys. So just for sure, like I said, contact me. But yeah guys, this thing was freaking awesome. It looks awesome. Now I have to go get some pictures on it, you know, but for the IG. All right, now I'm gonna install this 91 and up vinyl sticker on the rear window. I actually don't have any other spots. I mean, I could put it somewhere else, but I feel like this is probably the best fit right here. So yeah guys, make sure to clean your windows where you're applying a vinyl sticker. You do not want contaminants underneath it. We got it for sure. If you guys are looking for anything from them, make sure to contact me. Their app will be underneath in the description, and so will be their website and the other Japanese muscle website. So for sure, check them out. They have really good stuff, so make sure to, you know, support and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I brought it out to the sun, that way you guys can see how it looks outside. Like I said, it came out super good. The white lettering with the white aspen white, ooh, looks super clean. And like I said again, if you guys have any questions about where to get it, it will be in the description down below. I'll put his website, and then I'll put the 91 and up website just in case you guys are looking for something for your cars, you know. Show some love, show some support, and for sure. Came out really, really nice. So for sure, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for videos coming in shortly. I will be posting every week, so, you know, stay tuned. Peace.